Are you done now? Are you done? You made a mess? Are you all done? Lucas, are you done?
No.
Do you need to clean up your mess? Do you need to clean up your mess?
Yeah.
Yes? Let's get a towel. Okay, here. Clean up your mess. Oh, good job. All done? All done? Thank you. Yay. Good job. Here, you gonna finish your yogurt? Lucas? 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 Are you done?
No.
Well, then finish your yogurt. We gotta get dressed. We gotta get dressed to go to school. Yeah. Uh-oh. Don't make another mess. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, Lucas. You finish your yogurt and we'll get dressed and go to school, okay? Okay? Bye.
Bye.